Whoa, whoa.
And if you have any doubts, just think, what would Symphony do?
Probably jump off the platform.
Yep.
Watch your step.
I'm gonna take it back.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, you take it.
Help so.
Help him soak.
A little closer so we can get it milling.
And call people out if they don't soak, by the way.
Planting.
Watch your step. Run out. Help so.
Soak.
Get ready for new states.
Watch your step. Collides.
Ads incoming.
Charging. Move. Charging. Move. Charging. Move.
Watch out for the charge.
Charging. Move.
Like what? My B button doesn't work, I don't know why.
So
Oh,
let's
fuck,
feed
I
him
don't have-
very fast. Feed him. The radio will get a lot of damage if we slack on it.
Yeah.
Gonna bring him to the middle. Yeah, you can take it out.
Yeah, that.
Watch your step.
Do you have room, Lee, or should I move?
Ah, it's fine.
It's good. Yeah.
Run out. Step.
Soak.
Watch your step.
Cannot heal Adel at the moment, just Now you can.
My fucking god, I'm in caster form.
Run out.
Soak,
Help
soak.
so. Watch your step. Collides.
Another ad.
Charging. Move.
Watch out for the charge. Good job.
Charging. Move. Charging. Move. Charging. Move. Watch your step.
We have to rest Milius, choose some.
Forsaken for sure.
Feed him.
Let's get a move. Anyone in range of Forsaken?
Dig is on the bus.
I got him.
Nice.
Take the last rest.
Watch your step.
Dispel blood.
Kill him.
Jeez, boys.